We're downstairs in the family room. Our old drag queen disco platform is gone. Tasso's got some questions.
New door.
Yeah, new door.
Like that, huh?
Whenever Tasso has questions, I know it means money.
That's it. It's money. Money, money, money. All right, so basically what we have here is we've got this gone now. And now what I was thinking is leave this here. They're not steel toe shoes, by the way. And leave this here, but we have to increase the step.
Don't drop anything on Tasso's. It'll mess up his pedicure.
That's right. So
he'll have to go back to the Korean woman and get it redone.
You pay now. So basically, this is too narrow for a step. Obviously, this doesn't meet code like this. So what we're going to have to do is, since this is a fixed panel over here, we're going to have to increase this to at least get enough tread. So you would
increase this
thickness.
The top step.
Exactly.
Has to come out
about 2.5 inches.
Couple inches.
Yep.
Okay. We can cut it here.
Exactly.
And then we need another step here.
Well, this step can stay right where it is because this is actually wide enough to compensate for this one, and actually we can split the difference and actually be in code between this step and this step.
Okay, so go up from here, just build a little piece there. Can we cut this one too, right here?
Oh, I was just gonna box it in. I thought maybe you want to leave that there. I'm not sure. It's up to you.
All right. Well, our room size is.
Great for plants.
Yeah. Actually, it'll be good for plants. People can put a plant that's near death or something. They can put it right there in front of the window. Okay, do that. That's good.
All right. So I think that'll work out with that. And then where the cement is over there, we'll just trim that out and get that done.
Okay.
What are we doing with this?
I want this all. Well, we're gonna carpet down here, right?
Correct.
Okay. So you want to pop this?
If we're gonna carpet it, I don't need the pop it. We'll just fill this in with a little elastic and call it a day.
Okay. So we'll fill this little 1/4 inch difference here, 3/8 inch difference between the tile and the concrete floor. This is the basement floor, the lower level floor. Some fabulous 1960s slate. We'll leave it and cover it. We'll make up the difference here with a leveler, and then we'll put our new carpet down. But now, what do we got going on? There's probably no. Yeah, this is right on the right on the foundation, on the concrete right here.
Yeah.
So then what are you gonna do?
Well, we'll probably put pad on that side and maybe not put pad on this side. You have to figure it out. Yeah, I have to figure it out, you know?
Why don't you just have them pop this up?
Because it's going to come off uneven. We're going to end up with a lot of lumps and a lot of mortar. And I have a feeling that you're going to want to use some money to do that fireplace upstairs, so we're going to have to rob Peter and pay Paul a little bit.
All right, well, I'm not liking that decision, but I understand the situation. All right, so we'll have pad on this side, no pad over here. Hopefully it'll work out. Those are one of the decisions you got to make on a flip. It's all about dollars. Don't want to spend it where I don't need it.
At the end of the job, when you look at me and I'm in budget, you're going to be happy. At the end of the job, if you're out of budget, you're going to be unhappy. So I need to keep you happy. And I also need to keep you on a leash, because you will spend money. So we'll figure this out. We'll figure out what the best thing is. I'll bring the carpet guy here, see what he has to say about it, and see what he comes up with. But I'm pretty sure that's going to be the whole point. Now, all this woodwork down here, all this stained wood,
Everything gets painted.
everything gets painted.
All this is painted out. We already covered that.
Now, this brick stays.
This brick gets painted out.
You want to paint it?
Paint it.
Okay.
Paint
Same
it
color
out.
as the walls.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same color as the walls.
Okay. Now let's go back over here. I want to talk to you about the laundry area over here.
Okay. One more question.
So we're going to make a new laundry area, and this is going to be the entry for the laundry area,
Okay.
because we're going to close that bathroom off in the back. We said.
I thought we were doing a closet here for this. Make this a bedroom.
Nope.
What do you mean nope?
Nope. We said we were going to make this the laundry room because we have the washer and dryer hookups right there.
Oh yeah, I think we did say that.
Yep, we did. This is why I walked.
Oh, so this is going to be the entry to the
Right, so basically this is going to be the utility area. You're going to come here, you're going to open a door. I haven't decided yet if it should be bifold or not, because we have to put the washer and dryer right here. I mean, we already have the
Side by
stack,
side,
everything's here. And like I said, it's already set for electric, but I may want to make it a gas dryer depending on the electrician, if he tells me we have enough room in our box or not. So basically you're going to walk in here, and we're going to have the washer and dryer.
Okay.
Okay, now this is going to be
We got to close this off for the bathroom.
Right.
Okay, So we're going to do a new wall here and wrap it back over to here to enclose this existing half bath, which of course will get redone and sheetrocked, and then the door goes out here back into the area where we were before.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Good?
I think we're almost good. Now, that laundry room is also going to be part of...
Yeah, you're going to walk through the laundry
this
room to
area
get
here.
to the furnace room.
Right, because at one point you said make a door over
No,
there.
no.
We're scrapping that idea.
Yeah, we're scrapping that idea.
Okay, and then the furnace,
Yeah.
this one here, is oil. And it's old.
All right, do we have gas in the house?
We have gas in the house, so what I want to do is I want to convert this old
Okay,
oil
yeah, absolutely.
furnace into
Yeah.
gas.
Do gas.
And we're going to have to put a hot water heater in too.
All right, so we'll do a new hot water heater, we'll do a new furnace,
Gas.
and we'll do the kitchen stove to gas, which is what everybody likes nowadays. People seem to hate oil, and that'll be a good selling feature. If it didn't need to be converted, I wouldn't do it. And I'd take my chances with the oil and leave the furnace be. But if we got to change everything anyway, and there's gas already in the house, that means I don't have to bring a gas line in from outside, from the street, up to the house, which could be costly. Since it's already here, we'll convert everything over, and that'll be a good selling feature.
Perfect. I think that's all I had. Everything else is pretty much moving along just fine.
All right, that wraps up this edition of the Morse Code. Check back again in a couple days. I'll take you through another walkthrough, and we'll see how we're making out. Tasso's got the guys flying along on this flip. I think he's slipping them double espresso shots in their lattes or something. They're cranking this one out. So we should be good. So check back soon.